for Rahib. And big problem inside the villa. So be careful if you want friend coming here. For example, you are a friend, he will visit inside the villa. Make sure he know each other. Because you have monitoring now. Rahib, Bujud. You know? Rahib is coming every, I think, three times a week or twice a week. I will check. And then we have some problem inside the road. Now, just only little, I will be back about the inside the offices. We have a device now. We will install. I don't know how. For example, we will apply all in people. Sometimes other people I will see we have furniture furnace. We can apply also all in appliances. Inatakot lang. Once you have, you will just monitor. And now, priorities now, I will clean all chin. Because for on now, I will requesting all people, I think next week, together with him. All people here. For now, I need general cleaning for kitchen.